guys, I'm Himavat Gouresh. In this video, I'm gonna show you the basic beginner finger tricks to the advanced level finger tricks. Let's get started. Are you know to solve a cube like this? I'm going to show you the tricks like this.
Oh no!
I'm just kidding. I'm going to show you the original finger tricks video, and let's get started. Let me make my light more brightness. Okay. Now I'm gonna compare R prime, U prime moves in without finger tricks and with finger tricks. And let's take a timer and start. I'm going to start with without finger tricks. Okay. Eight seconds. I lastly did the finger trick, but okay, no problem. It's 8. And now with finger trick. It's 4. Now you can understand, if you use finger trick, the solve will give the decent time than the finger trick that was not used. Okay. Now we can learn the beginner finger trick. For R moves, it goes like this. For L moves, the same. Okay. For U move, with the middle pointer finger, you can do like this. On the left pointer finger, you can do U prime. And you do with the ring of pinky finger to do D moves. And for D prime, and alternative in right. And I highly recommend to use ring finger for D moves. Okay, now we can learn M moves. M with the middle or ring finger, like this. This is M prime, and for M prime, you can do like this. You can do with middle finger. I also highly recommend to do in middle finger. I can do in ring finger, but I won't do that thing. Okay, and I think I cover, oh yeah, is F move. F you can do with the pointer finger like this. The thumb must be here. And with left pointer finger, you can do like this. Or with right thumb, you can do like this. And the beginner finger trick is over. You practice this move and you learn intermediate finger trick. Let me teach you the intermediate finger trick. Intermediate finger trick, it's not so big as the beginner finger trick. Okay, let's learn. We can start with U moves. You know that U moves are do like this, but you can do the finger trick like this. Pushing with the pointer finger. at both hands. That makes the re-grip low at the sword. Let me tell what is re-grip. Re-grip is taking your hands without moving the cube. Like this is the cube movements, but these are the re-grips. This moves will reduce the re-grip. Okay, and the specialized finger trick for U is this. U and U prime. And this is the pinch U or push U. Not push U, push U. This finger trick will be weird for you, but you have to learn this. This makes the solve more easier. And for D move like this, you learn in the beginner finger trick. But this finger trick is so weird, but you have to learn this. For an example, for this cross, you may use this algorithm. Now you should re-grip for the D prime, but I will not re-grip. That will makes the time more. We can't save the time, so I can do like this. That's it. Bye. Let me teach the advanced finger tricks. That will be the F flicks. You do the F like this, but you can do this opposite. I forgot to teach that in intermediate finger tricks, but okay, I can teach now. Okay, in advanced finger tricks there is a double flicks. You do like this, but in advanced it's just nothing. You with the pointer and middle finger. And also for D move like this, and also for D prime, F, B. I didn't teach the B moves at the finger tricks for all beginner and intermediate finger tricks because B moves are not so important. You rarely use for the cross in the solve the B moves. So I will not teach that. It's U2 and D2. For M2 you do with the middle finger and with the ring finger. That's why I recommend the ring finger for D move and for middle finger for D move. But for M2 I do only the ring and middle. You can do for D move pinky and ring. That's very hard. So I recommend ring finger and pinky finger. Okay, that's all the advanced, intermediate and beginner finger tricks. Okay, bye. If you like this video, please like. If you don't like this video, also like. And if you want to share to your friends for supporting them, you can share the video. And if you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. And finally, subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye.